How to cancel N26 account. So if you want to cancel or close your account on N26, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with N26 application. Now you need to log into your account. Once you've logged in, on the top right you will have 3-bar icon. You can just simply tap on it and you will have close your account on the bottom of your screen. Or you can also go with your browser. So just go with your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. And once you search for close N26 account, then here it will say that if you're unable to log into your account, you need to email to support@n26.com from your registered email address with this cancellation form attached. So you just need to simply open where it says how to close my account under n26.com and tap on the second option, which is tap here to begin your account closure process online. Or if you're facing any problems, you can scroll down and then tap on cancellation form. You can open up with your Drive or Word, anything that you're comfortable with. And here you need to fill the form or go with email support, which will take you to this kind of interface. So you just need to simply select the mail that you've used while creating your account and then go with cancellation, account cancellation. And here you need to write, Dear N26, I want to cancel my account, or I want to close my account because of this and this reason. And you just need to simply go and send. And once you've sent, then your account will be closed. And that's it. That's how you can cancel or close your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.